Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this look right here, and I'm going to start off with my Bonbons palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to be going ahead and grabbing this first shade right here, and I'm going to be applying this all over my crease, but I'm also going to bring it all the way up to my eyebrow like I do with all my transition colors. And I am going to be using some new makeup today. And I decided to do this one a voiceover because I did get a new mic and I just wanted to test it out, and I decided what a better way than to do a voiceover with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade right here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this in my crease, but I'm not going to bring it all the way up like I did with my transition color. I'm just going to keep this on my crease. And I am using this darker shade just to start dipping up the crease a little bit. And then now I'm going to move on to this darker shade, and I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to apply this to my crease. But I only want it in my crease, so that's why I'm using a pencil brush, because I don't want it anywhere else on my lid. And now I'm grabbing the same brush I used before, and I'm just going to use this to blend that out. But I don't want to blend it out that much because I don't want to take away the depth that dark shade added to my crease. So I'm only going to do it a couple of times. And now I'm going ahead and I got some concealer, and I'm just cleaning up the lid because I'm going to be applying a pink shimmery shade on my lid. So that's why I'm cleaning it up so it can really pop. And after that I'm going to be setting it with my translucent powder, and I did mess up a little bit. The concealer did go over the crease, but I'm going to fix that later on when I reapply that darker shade to the crease. And then now I'm grabbing a flat brush and I'm packing both sides of the brush with this pink shimmery shade right here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the lid. I am going to be using a glitter eyeliner, and I thought the pink one would really go with the eyeliner that I'm going to be using. Now I am reapplying that darker shade back to the crease just to bring it back because it did kind of fade away when I applied the concealer. And then I'm grabbing the same brush before and I'm just blending that out one more time just so it won't look so harsh. Then I'm going to go in with Too Faced new Glitter Pop eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Fairy Queen, I believe. And I'm just going to wing it out first, but I am going to be bringing it up into the crease and kind of making it look I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see it right now. I'm starting off in the crease now and I'm just connecting it all the way to the end of the wing, and then you guys will see what I'm talking about right now in a bit. And to be honest with you guys, I didn't really want to go this way with the eyeliner. I just wanted to wing it out, and then I wanted to put a little bit in the crease. But then I messed up with the eyeliner in the crease and I got a little bit too thick. And it looked a little bit ugly and I didn't like how it looked. So I just went ahead and I made it really big and I connected it to the whole wing. Which I did like how it ended up coming out anyways. But you know, I learned from my mistakes and now I know for next time. And for eyelashes, I'm going to be using my Kiss Lashes in the style Flirty. And what I like about these eyelashes is that the band is really thin. So it was easy for me to not worry about having my lash band showing even though I wasn't wearing any black eyeliner. And now I'm going to move on to foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Cream Beige. And I did receive a new beauty sponge from my Yes or Yes box. This is the Beauty Creations beauty sponge, and what I like about this sponge is that it is slanted and it is really big, and it was really easy to apply my foundation, and I felt like it didn't really drink up that much of the product. And then for concealer, I used my Shape Tape by Tarte in the shade Light, and I'm just going to apply this under my eye, down my nose, my brow bone, and on my forehead just to highlight and to cover up my dark circles. And what I liked about the sponge is that since it is really slanted, it was really easy to get under the under eye. And now I'm using my Airspun and I'm just setting under my eyes first, but I'm also going to use it to set my whole face. And now I'm going to be grabbing my highlighter and bronzer duo from Manakadar Beauty. I did get this from my SOS box 2, and I believe that's how you say the brand, Manakadar Beauty, I'm not sure. And I'm going to be using the bronzer to contour my face, my forehead, and also my nose. And this is a really pretty bronzer to contour. It is a darker one, which is probably the darkest one that I own, but I really like it. And it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, which I think it would be perfect for the summertime as well. And I know my eyelash is looking a little crazy right now, which, to be honest with you guys, I didn't know it was fucked up until later in the video. But for blush, I'm going to be using my Lichen Gold Rose Gold blush from Seraphine Botanicals, which is one of my favorite blushes. It is so pretty and has a little hint of shimmer. And I'm going to be using this to blush up my cheekies. And now I'm just going to get my MAC Fix Plus and spray my face just to take away any putteriness from my face. And at this point, I still haven't realized that my eyelash is a little bit fucked up, but that's fine. We're just going to keep rolling with it. And now I'm going to get my Mary Lou Manizer highlighter from the Balm, which came in my Ipsy bag. And I'm going to be using this to highlight my face, my nose, my brow bone, and my cupid's bow, and I also use it to highlight my inner corner. But I do feel that it is a little bit too subtle, but if you wet the brush before you dip it into the highlighter does become more pigmented, and it becomes a really popping highlighter, and it is really pretty. I really love this highlighter. And at this point, my eyelash is looking more fucked up than ever, but my ass still hasn't realized it, but that's okay. I'm just going to keep rolling with it. Now I'm just applying the darker shade that I added to my crease to my under eye to smoke it out, but I also applied that pink shimmery shade that I added to my crease. And now I'm applying my Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte in my waterline just to finish up with the eye look. Now is when I realized that my eyelash is looking a little bit fucked up, and this is when I try to fix it. But to be honest, I didn't fix it. It was really fucked up, you guys. I think it bended or something, but I just kept rolling with it because that is what we do in this channel. We roll with it. And now I'm going to be applying my Better Than Sex mascara to my top lashes just to stick them with my fake lashes, and I'm also going to be applying it to my bottom lashes. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be applying one of the lipsticks from my Maybelline lip color palette. It is the first time I'm using this palette. It was on clearance at Walmart for $5, so that's why I picked it up. And I'm going to be using this dark purple shade at the end, which I thought was going to be a little bit more pigmented, a little bit more darker, but it is a pretty shade. And I'm just going to be applying this with the brush that it came with. It was a little hard to apply with the brush because it did go over the lips, so I did overline, but I didn't mean to overline. But I did try to fix it, but it just made like a really big mess, so I just left it how it was. But I did like how it came out. And this is the final look right here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like how this came out. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thank you guys for watching, and bye guys.